Okay guys, it's Monday the 15th of July. I've just been triggered into a long position on the DAX after this 1040 piercing pattern candle. So it's shot up pretty quickly. We actually had the market bouncing a little bit higher and then it hesitated. It didn't trigger me in the first time up, came back down, came back up again, and it's pushed me into the trade. So as always, we'll go through the analysis, we'll go through the trade management, and we'll see how this one gets on. Now, into today on the DAX, we had an enormous rally. So, really it's around about 100 points within 5, 10, 15 minutes. Still not used to that. I trade the FTSE full time. That's my main focus. The DAX in comparison to the FTSE is like a Ferrari against like a Volkswagen Beetle or something. It's crazy. But once we got up there, we then collapsed. A huge move down. We tried to bounce again. So this is buyers stepping in who missed the initial rally, looking to drive the market higher. We got the bounce. We've collapsed back down again. So a couple of things. Potentially the market is going into a downtrend. I want to be cautious of that. However, we're testing down into, for me, what are more significant support levels than this area up here. So up here, pre-market swings. This is from this morning, so from like 3 in the morning up until we opened at 8 in the morning. If we come to the left further, we can see we've had significant bounces down here. So during market hours and then also in out of hours trading, we've bounced once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7. We've bounced here 8 times and we're back down for a 9th test. So the way I'm looking at it is I would expect the test of the zone up above at least, but make it a little bit bigger. I'm hoping we're going to see a move up towards MA200 and this whole section right here. So this is kind of target area. Now if we do see the market pressing up a little bit higher toward this zone, I'm going to get my stop to break even because, as I've mentioned, big move down, we are potentially moving into some sort of a downtrend sitting around about here. So it's quite tight where I'm trading into, but it's from a significant level. The market has sold off massively, so it's a good setup in my eyes anyway. So we'll see how we get on. As I mentioned last week, there we go, let me just watch this. Okay, so out of the trade, straight up £350 of profit, done and dusted. We got out as soon as it hit up into that potential daily level because of the sloping resistance, because I've got the MA200, because I've got the swing. Trading into too many things to hold on to the trade. So just want to take the profits and I want to get out. I was going to go over how I was talking about the markets being less volatile last week and how they've picked up coming into this week quite significantly. But we will leave that on a cliffhanger and we'll go over that with next week's trade because it's 10:50 in the morning and I want to get finished on a Monday morning. So daily time frame, make it a little bit bigger. Market has came all the way down. We got that big spike this morning. We pulled all the way back again, but we're pulling back into this section, this section, this section. We've also got the spikes up holding at this level. If we come further to the left, we can see it's been tested. It's been tested on this flat section. So a number of tests as support and resistance. That was giving me the clue. There was room to get into the trade, so I was happy to take it as a buy position and it worked out very, very nicely. Okay guys, as always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you're all having a good trading week. I am off to get a coffee and have a break. I'm James R, and thank you.